So welcome back to the channel, guys. We really appreciate all the support and love that we have felt through you all. Thank you for hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel and leaving us comments. Every last one of those comments is just amazing to us, and we could not do this without you. So today I am going to make some flavored butter. I'm Dawn, and I'm living the Newcomb life. Okay guys, so we have done previous videos on making butter, but we have a Buttermeister butter maker, which makes making butter super easy. You literally just pour your butter in the jar, put the automatic churn on the jar, and let it go until it makes butter. And then we will clean the butter, and then we're gonna add the goodness to it. So hang on and we'll see how this goes. This is a gallon jar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 quarts of heavy whipping cream, and I just bought this at the grocery store. I'm gonna add this to our jar. So we've got our heavy whipping cream in the Buttermeister. We're gonna go ahead and place this on the jar. I wanna make sure that we are on there well. And I'm just gonna put a towel underneath it because we don't want this to, we don't want it to walk on the countertop. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this underneath. We also don't want it to rattle back and forth and break our glass. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. What I'm gonna do is plug it in and it will go. Okay, our butter is done. I'm gonna pour it out of here and into our strainer. Now I do want to get the last little bit of butter off of our spatula here. Then we'll start cleaning and rinsing our butter. When you squeeze the butter, the butter fats actually come out of the butter. And what we want to do is try to get as much of that out of the butter as we can. It will make the butter last longer if we can. So we are going to try to squeeze this. And it does make a little bit of a mess. We'll get it all cleaned up when we're done. Okay. So I got pretty much all that I can squeeze out. I'm going to clean my bowl and see if we can't rinse this a little bit more. Okay, so the idea is to put your butter in the clean water, cold water, and then squeeze it. And the idea is that the water that's coming off should be clear. So keep doing it until it is clear. And then you have this beautiful butter. Then we're gonna look into putting in some flavors into our butter. Clean me hands. Okay, I've divided my butter into 2 servings of about a cup. It's not measured out exactly, but it's close. So this one we're going to make garlic butter, and this one we're just going to make salted butter, okay? And really the only difference is this one I'm gonna put minced garlic in, and this one I'm not. So we're gonna put a teaspoon of salt in each one, or right around a teaspoon. And we use Redmond's salt, and that's what I'm using. Okay, so we have our salt. And then I'm going to mince my garlic. I have to tell you, this is a Pampered Chef garlic mincer. It is the best thing since sliced bread. You put your garlic in with the peel, and it literally peels your garlic for you. When you're done, it's just the peel of the garlic left in your garlic press. It's fantastic. So we're putting 4 cloves of garlic in here. Just going to use my hand mixer, and we will get everything mixed up together well. And you know what? I'm going to do my salted butter first. That way I don't have to clean my beaters, and then I can go straight to the garlic butter. Now my butter is pretty much at room temperature, so it's just a matter of getting it mixed. Okay guys, I'm going to get this all packaged up. We're going to dinner at Grandma Honey and Granddad's tonight, and we're going to take this butter and we'll do a taste test, and we'll let you see what everybody thinks. So we'll see you back in just a few minutes. So we're at Grandma and Granddad's house for dinner, and our bread is ready with our garlic butter and our salted butter. I think it's time for a taste test.
Did somebody say taste test?
Did somebody say taste test?
Did someone say taste test?
Did somebody 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 say taste test?
Okay, so we're all going to try the salted butter first. This is on homemade bread. Here, I'll let everybody pick one.
Thank you.
All right, go for it.
That's good. Very good.
Very good.
Love it.
Perfect.
Homemade butter.
Really
Huh?
get off the bread.
Awesome.
Homemade butter or
good.
homemade bread?
Delicious.
Very good. Just like
Oh,
mine.
that is
Can't get
really
better
good.
than that.
It's real smooth.
Just like
Very
Mama used to
creamy.
make back on the farm, you know?
Yeah.
Very good.
I did not take a TV bite.
That's
I was
great.
gonna eat the whole thing.
I am.
Okay. This is the garlic one. Everybody take a garlic one. Now we'll all have the same garlic breath when we're done. Because this has fresh minced garlic in it.
That smells really good.
Oh, wow. I love garlic.
Smells good.
That's really
All right.
Definitely smells
Oh, that's
garlic.
nice.
I taste the
So
garlic.
good.
It is really good.
Oh, I really like that.
I really like the garlic.
I told Jerry I think this would be excellent on a steak.
Oh,
Yeah. On a grilled cheese.
Or on a grilled
Oh,
cheese.
grilled cheese would be good.
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah. So what do y'all think? The salted butter is really good,
Yes.
but it holds nothing to the garlic
Oh.
butter.
Absolutely.
Garlic butter is money, man.
Yeah.
It's great.
Number one. Number one.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you get a moment and you'd like to show us a little bit of love, hit that like button and subscribe and leave us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for supporting our channel. We could not do this without you all. So thank you so much for everyone who has liked and subscribed and just supported our channel with comments. We appreciate every last one of them.